I don't think people understand how AI is transforming search engines. Artificial intelligence is the driving force behind this transformation. AI is changing how we find information, understand the world, and connect with each other. Imagine a world where you could have a conversation with the internet. This is the reality that AI chatbots like ChatGPT are creating. Developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT uses deep learning to generate text, translate languages, and answer questions. ChatGPT represents a fundamental shift in how we interact with information. Traditional search engines rely on keywords and algorithms. ChatGPT engages in a conversation, providing comprehensive answers and personalized insights. Let's delve deeper into the world of AI-powered search and explore its potential impact on our society. ChatGPT is a fascinating example of artificial intelligence. It's a large language model trained on a massive dataset of text and code. This training allows ChatGPT to understand and generate human-like text. You type in a question or a request, and ChatGPT generates a response. For example, you could ask ChatGPT to write a poem or explain a complex scientific concept. What sets ChatGPT apart is its ability to understand and respond to natural language. Just ask your question in plain English, and ChatGPT will provide a helpful answer. This conversational style makes searching for information more intuitive and engaging. ChatGPT is not just a question-answering machine, it's a creative tool. Its ability to mimic human language patterns allows it to produce remarkably human-like content. Google has long reigned supreme in the world of search, but the emergence of AI chatbots like ChatGPT poses a potential challenge to Google's dominance. Google excels at indexing the vast expanse of the internet and delivering relevant websites. ChatGPT, on the other hand, takes a more conversational approach. It aims to understand the intent behind your query and provide comprehensive answers. However, ChatGPT has its limitations such as outdated information and occasional inaccuracies. Google also faces challenges in the age of AI, needing to adapt to natural language and personalized results. The competition between Google and AI chatbots drives innovation. This pushes the boundaries of what's possible in the world of search. Ultimately, both approaches have their strengths and weaknesses. The rise of AI-powered search tools like ChatGPT has the potential to revolutionize how we access information. Imagine a future where you could simply ask your AI assistant a question and receive a concise answer. This conversational approach could save time and reduce information overload. AI could also personalize our search experience, tailoring results to our individual interests. Beyond education, AI-powered search has the potential to transform various industries. In healthcare, AI assistants could help doctors diagnose diseases more accurately. In finance, AI could analyze market trends and provide personalized financial advice. As we embrace AI-powered search, we must also be mindful of its limitations and potential risks. Beyond the hype navigating the AI labyrinth, the rapid advancements in AI have generated excitement and hype. It's crucial to approach the topic with skepticism, separating fact from fiction. AI is a powerful tool, but it's not a magic bullet that will solve all our problems. One misconception is that AI will soon surpass human intelligence. AI systems excel at specific tasks, but lack general intelligence and common sense. Another concern is the potential for AI to perpetuate existing biases. AI systems are trained on massive datasets, which may reflect human biases. As AI becomes more powerful, we need to discuss its ethical implications. We need to ensure that AI is used in a way that aligns with our values and serves the common good. The voices of tech titans, a chorus of opinions. The rise of AI has sparked intense debate among tech leaders. Elon Musk has warned about the existential threat posed by uncontrolled AI. Bill Gates believes that AI can be a powerful force for good. Mark Zuckerberg emphasizes the positive potential of AI in areas like healthcare and education. These diverse perspectives highlight the complex nature of the AI debate. It's crucial to engage in thoughtful discussions about the potential benefits and risks of AI. As AI evolves, it's essential to have a diversity of voices shaping its development. Symbiosis or Supremacy, charting the future of search. The relationship between AI and traditional search engines is still unfolding. AI will play an increasingly important role in shaping the future of search. One possibility is that AI will become integrated into existing search engines. Another scenario is that AI chatbots will evolve into independent search tools. This could lead to a more diverse and competitive search landscape. Traditional search engines will continue to evolve while AI-powered tools offer new ways to access information. The key is to find the right balance between the strengths of each approach. The journey into the world of AI and its impact on search engines is just beginning. AI is not a force to be feared, but a tool to be harnessed for the betterment of humanity. The true potential of AI lies in augmenting human intelligence and expanding our creativity. By embracing AI while remaining mindful of its limitations, we can create a future where technology empowers us. The journey promises to be filled with wonder, discovery, and the boundless potential of human imagination working in harmony with AI. As we move forward, let's reflect on the transformative power of AI in reshaping search engines and our digital experiences. The future is in our hands, and together we can shape it for the better. Stay curious, stay innovative, and let's embrace the future of AI with open minds and hearts.